Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove zero screen on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Well, after that, here you can scroll down and then please select home screen option. Okay, and then to remove the zero screen on your device, here please select the second option. And then you can set it on this mode. Okay, and then let's see that the zero screen on your device is successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to remove zero screen on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.